Gnocchi. Today we are going to be working on a new question. On gnocchi. This means, did something go? Marhampla, for example. Hui me go an shop inye. I went to the shop yesterday. The question would be, on gnocchi me go an lawerlin. Did I go to the library? Ní gnocchi me go an lawerlin. I didn't go to the library. Hui me go an shoppa inye. I went to the shop yesterday. So if somebody asks you a question and it begins with on gnocchi, our response is hui me, or hui, I went. No, ní gnocchi, I didn't, or somebody didn't. Finish. Lehi me scaling biog, shoppa édi. I will read a little story about the clothes shop. Eish go gair, agus betu obalta na habertí a scríb. Listen carefully and you will be able to write the sentences. Marhampla. Hui mammy go an shoppa édi. Mammy went to the shop. Ní gnocchi Niamh go an shoppa édi. Niamh didn't go to the shop. Hui daddy go an shoppa édi. Hui Rory go an shoppa édi. Ní gnocchi Liam agus Oisín go an shoppa édi. So fhaca an lathnach. The question is on gnocchi and our response is hui, no, ní gnocchi. Oscail the leabhar lathnach 73. Léhi me amach an ceist agus tuairhí me am díobh an ceist a ragart. Open your books on page 73. I will read out the questions and you will have time to answer. Scríb an obair ceart an líne. Write the correct words on the sentence or on the line. Lathnach 73, fake an picture chun caireadh leat na ceisina a ragart. So look at the picture to help you answer the questions. Make sure to write a full sentence. And remember, on gnocchi is the question, hui or ní gnocchi is the answer. So, on